Ayan na si Jules. Good. Hello. Good day. Okay, this is the latest tourist destination in south of Cebu, Treasure Terraces. It is located in the municipality of Argao, and I want to show you how raw yet mesmerizing the place is. Join us. The visit, and the people here are very warm and accommodating. Just we're so lucky we had a very good guide to provide us an easier way to go to this place, because there are two alternatives. There are two paths that you need to cross, but we had a shorter distance. So I would advise to those who would love to visit here to might as well request for a guide. Dapat may kasama kayong guide who will really lead you the way para mas madali at hindi kayo mahihirapang pumunta dito. Visit Treasure Terraces located in the municipality of Argao. Yeah, I would really, it is a beauty. At saka the water is so refreshing. It is really very refreshing. Ang yung nila, ginawa nilang terraces is made of cement. Kaya hindi siya madulas, no? Look, I'm nearly 60 years old, but I was able to traverse kasi hindi mahirap yung daan nila. It's not slidey yet kasi bago ka, kaya hindi siya moldy at saka hindi slippery. Okay, that would be all. Let me enjoy the moment, okay? Very new in southern province of Cebu, located in the municipality of Argao. Treasure Terraces Resort. Why is that? not the terrain of the rice terraces, but this is different because these are body of water that came all the way from a waterfall. Visit the municipality of Argao. Good day!
Teka na!
Kuha lang ka diha.
Meme! Victoria ba?
Ano itong camera natin, Joyce?
Oh, Meme!
4 to 5 feet. So pwede, even the kids can swim here. Limpyo kayong tubig. It's very clean. It is a running water. Oh. Okay. Alegria, matakot na kayo. There is something new here in Argao. So, if you are staying in Maayo Hotel, you can come here. Malapit lang. They have a very good guide at saka mga bait ang mga tao. They were very, very nice. So let's help the tourism industry in the province of Cebu. Visit Treasure. Terraces Resort in municipality of Argao. Ito, side. The Treasure Terraces here in municipality of Argao. This is the latest travel destination in southern Cebu.